Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth text comparison review between these two email assistant AI, which is Sanebox, and Cora AI. So let's quickly get started and dive into it. So talking about Sanebox is a proven inbox management tools that works with almost any email provider. It filters non-essential messages into smart folder like send later, hearts, notes, and reminder, and keep your inbox focused on what matters. It's reliable, easy to set up, and best suited for users who want passive but effective email decluttering without changing how they write or replies. Cora AI, on the other hand, goes beyond filtering by acting like a personal assistant. It summarizes emails twice a day, draft replies into your voice, and learn your preference over time. The downside is that it only works with Gmail right now and feels more hands-on than Sanebox. So in short, and in conclusion, Sanebox is better for clean, distraction-free inbox control, while Cora AI wins if you want AI-powered help with writing and prioritization. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.